Over the years, I have heard dozens of different interpretations for the Second Amendment. For such a very short sentence, its true meaning is in heavy debate. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. The gun grabbers argue that owning a firearm must be connected to an individual's service in the militia, which they believe is the National Guard. Many people also think that the Founding Fathers were only talking about muskets when they created the Second Amendment, and not AR-15s or AK-47s. Now, for many years, I simply didn't know how to answer these objections or questions. That was until the US Supreme Court decision, Heller versus DC. Heller was a DC special policeman who wanted to keep a handgun at home. The problem is DC banned the possession of handguns without proper registration. They also refused to allow individuals to register their guns. Typical government bureaucracy. Now, the police chief could issue a permit for an individual to keep a gun at home, but it had to be fully disassembled. So what is the point of having a firearm for home defense, personal defense, if it has to be not just unloaded, has to be fully disassembled? Heller filed a lawsuit, and in June of 2008, the Second Amendment and law-abiding gun owners across the nation received a massive victory. In this playlist, I'm going to take some time to discuss how the US Supreme Court explained the Second Amendment during the Heller versus DC decision. Why the Founding Fathers feared a tyrannical government. What firearms the Founding Fathers were actually referring to. And finally, the true purpose of the Second Amendment. I'm going to do this because it is more important now than ever before in our history that every single American actually understands what the Second Amendment means and what it does not mean, and the lies of the gun-grabbing elites. Make sure you guys stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to be answering the most common question that people have on this debate. Does the Second Amendment guarantee an individual's right to possess a firearm, or is that right connected to service in the militia? Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, keep training and stay safe.